Today we see polymorphism. Polymorphism, poly means many, morphism means forms. Polymorphism is one of the Hooke's concepts which can be achieved by using overloading or overriding. First we see overloading. In any class, multiple methods has the same name, but difference in number of parameters, order of parameters, or type of parameters. The method name should be same, but there should be difference in either number of parameters or order of parameters or type of parameters. Then those methods are called overloaded methods. You see here, overloading means extra work. This is default displaying, which is printing nothing. I am overriding, actually I am overloading. Overloading means here there is no input parameter. Here I am going to have one input parameter, means which is doing additional work. Here I am printing a variable. If you see, the method name is display. Here the method name is display. Here I am going to have again display method with AVAR of the float. If you see the differences between these three methods, the method name is display here. There is no argument. The method name is display. There is one argument. Means number of parameters are different, right? So this is called overloaded method. Here, if you see, the type is different. Here it is integer is input argument. Here it is float is input argument. Means that is type of parameters are different. Here int type, here float type, and order of parameter. Order of parameter here, if you see, display A var of type integer, B var of type float. Int float is the input arguments here. Float int is the input arguments. Here order is different. Order types are different. Here integer comes first. Here float comes next. Here float comes first. Integer comes next. If you see all these methods clearly, all methods names are same, but the difference is either number of parameter or order of parameter or type of parameter. Here display method name, display is the method name. It is the same in all 5 statements, but there is a difference in number of parameters, type of parameters, or order of parameters. Okay, we see that in practical also. So supports overloading, but not Objective-C. Let's see if this statement is correct or not. I think it is wrong. Overriding. In inheritance relationship, first we see overloading. I have taken new playground. I'm going to create a class. Display board is my class name. I'm going to have a function display. I'm going to have another method display. Here I want to print display method 1 and display method 2. These are the 2 methods which are present in the display board class. Here it is giving error because you can create an object for this display board, and here I am going to call that method display board.display. Here if you see, we are having the same names for the display and display. Here is the confusion. Display board is created, and when you call display, which method to be called. So the compiler itself giving you error. Duplicate is not allowed. Same method name is not allowed. Invalid redeclaration. if you want to have the same method name, there should be either change in number of parameters or order of parameters or type of parameters. I'm just giving a value here. I want to use the same implementation. Now this is accepted because the method name is display, here also display, but there is a difference in number of parameters. Here 0 number of parameters, here 1 number of parameter. I want to have one more display and want to display a float. Here this is allowed. If you see abo.display, the method name is display a value here. The type is different here. So this is allowed. We are trying to achieve the overloading here. In overloading, the number of parameters are different. There should be difference in number of parameters or type of parameters. Here the type is different. And there is one more thing called addition A after integer, B after double. Performing addition. I want to show you the another variation of overloaded method. Here I am giving double. Here I am giving int. Here if you see the method name is addition AB. Here also the method name is addition AB, but still it is allowed because the order of parameter. Order means first int comes, then double. Here first double comes, then int. If you write the same method, it won't accept. It says that it is duplicate method. But to achieve the overloading, there are 3 different things. One is you can write the same methods with number of parameters are different, type of parameters are different, or order of parameters are different. This is called overloading. Any doubts here? If you clearly observe that, what is the method name here? Int A, int of type int, B of type double. If you see display method is one thing, display A value of type integer is one thing, display A value of float is another thing. If you see the method names are not same actually. For reading it is display only, but actually the method names are not same. You cannot write the same method names. You cannot write the same display here. It won't accept. So the concept is this, but whenever you are trying to achieve the overloading concept, the method names are getting changed. Method names are getting changed. So the Swift does not support overloading. Any doubts here? Even doubts and overloading. Overloading and method name same undali. Number of parameters, order of parameters, or type of parameters different undali. Ikkada మన మెథడ్ నేమ్ సేమే పెట్టుకున్నాము, బట్ మనం ఎప్పుడైతే న్యూ పారామీటర్ యాడ్ చేసామో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే మెథడ్ నేమ్ కూడా చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. మన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి, ఓవర్లోడింగ్ అంటే మెథడ్ నేమ్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి, బట్ ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఉండట్లేదు. మనం ఎప్పుడైతే న్యూ పారామీటర్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇంకా అప్పుడు సేమ్ ఉండట్లేదు. సో Swift does not support overloading. ఒకసారి చూద్దాం యాక్చువల్గా సేమ్ ఉందో లేదో. Does Swift allows overloading even when two signature differs. only in the return type. Yep. That's it. I'm writing it. Let's see. Go dot display. Navigation is a display. Actually, this is why if you have the same method names, here is the conflict. It is trying to call which display method. It is not understanding which display method it should call. So the overloading concept is there should be difference in number of parameters, order of parameters, and type of parameters. Okay, whenever you are trying to change the try to achieve the overloading by changing number of parameters or order of parameter or type of parameter, the method name itself is getting changed. So it is not overloading, it is simply new method. These two are two different methods then now. These two are different methods now, and these two also are different methods now. So all these are different methods. It is not overloading. The definition of overloading is the method name should be same, but the method names are not same here. This is why I am saying Swift does not support overloading, because when you try to change number of parameters or type of parameter, the method name is getting changed. Now we see overriding. In inheritance relationship, having same method in superclass and subclass with different implementation, to achieve the overriding, you need to use the override keyword. Let me write one example here. Same example which we have taught yesterday. Basic calculator. Scientific calculator is of inheritance from basic calculator. I want to have the same method names here. Find code. Addition. I'm just printing. Addition is A plus B. Here we are having inheritance relationship here. Basic calculator is the superclass. Scientific calculator is the subclass. Basic calculator is having a method called addition of A and B. Scientific calculator also having the addition A and B. But generally we don't write this because the addition method is already there available in the basic calculator. But when do you write override? When do you override a method is when you want to achieve additional functionality than the existing functionality, additional functionality than existing functionality. Let's say I want to display value of A is A, value of B is B. Here I want to use the override keyword. Here if you clearly observe that the method name is same. Here let me check. There are two matches. This is one method. Second method is this. The method names are same here. In inheritance relationship, having the same method name with difference in implementation. If you see there is one line of code, if you see here there is 3 lines of code. The implementation is different. You have the same method name with the different implementation in subclass and superclass. So by default, it is not allowed. By adding the override keyword, you can achieve this. That advanced calculator keyword. Scientific calculator. Advanced calculator dot addition and passing 100, 200. That basic calculator. Basic calculator dot addition 10 and 20. Even in Objective-C, the overloading is not allowed because when you change the number of parameters or type of parameters or order of parameters, the method name is getting changed. If you see here, addition is 30 for the last statement. For advanced calculator, I want to perform different implementation. I want to execute different implementation with the same method name. So this is the result of that. Value of A equal to 100, value of B is 200, addition is 300. This is how we can achieve the overriding. The concept of overriding is in inheritance relationship, having the same method name with different implementations. Here the implementation is different, here the implementation is different. In such cases, we use override keyword to achieve overriding. In overriding, there should be inheritance relationship. Without inheritance relationship, you cannot achieve the overriding. Whereas overloading is in a same class, having same method with difference in number of parameters or order of parameters or type of parameters. That is called overloading. For overloading, you need to have a single class. For overriding, you need to have the multiple classes, which has the relation of inheritance.